Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 8th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound dollar, I mean, it really has not been able to break to the downside yet. I think this whole sideways price action from here over is very, very, very corrective. So we have our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down. I could almost picture this thing going up and taking out these previous highs right here. Like this is possibly an A, this is a B, and possibly it goes up and makes a wave C. I kind of hope it does do that because that would give me a much clearer entry to go short for the continuation of this potential move to the downside we're seeing on the daily time frame. It doesn't really necessarily have to do that though. I mean, this potentially could just be a pullback to this last wave down right here. So if you do see some sort of a three-way pullback or some sort of a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would be looking for shorts right now based on the daily time frame. The fact that the daily did turn down, whether the move down on the daily is just a pullback to the weekly uptrend or not is still yet to be determined. But since the daily did turn down, I would be recommending shorts, at least for now. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.